I don't believe it. We're here. We're at that point. Oh, this is a good day. Before this day is out, I'm going to hear what this puppy sounds like. It's going to be great. I just know it. I need to tell you a little bit about what we've been doing, what we've got to do yet in order to make this thing sound perfect. So we'll spin the intro and then we'll come right back and we'll tell you what's up. Well, thanks for joining me. Today is the day that I am finally going to put some guitar strings on here. And what I have done is I have put the nut here and I have temporarily made a few slots in there. They're going to have to be adjusted. I've done some work here on the saddle, and it's going to need adjusting depending on this, as well as the overall truss rod and the curvature of the neck. But we've come to that point where all of this is done, and I have polished the frets, and you'll see that just coming up in a moment or two on some video. And we've cleaned those up. We have filed down the sides. Everything looks pretty good. I've put the level on here, just show you. We set it up and it looks great, and it's pretty close. It's just over the top of this, which tells me the saddle may need to come down a bit. And that's fine. We can do that very easily. So I'm at the point where we're probably going to sacrifice some strings in order to make this thing work. But I've got to get this done, so why don't I go ahead and do some of this.
Hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon, side by side and through, no limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
Well, that's it for those videos. One of the things that I will get to once all the strings are on and this is all done and I'm ready to go, I'm going to need to put a pick guard on here, and I'm going to put a clear pick guard, so you'll see that when it's finally on, and we'll show you the final guitar. And I think I am going to do a collage of our building the guitar. Just saying, I believe so. So that's it for me on this. I'll be back. Don't go away. We've got a few things to do here, and then we'll hear it.